Here's where I finished my last video, and we've now got 13.3 degrees in Melbourne, the value of Wetterling, and I know someone's name has a value of 157, Stephen somebody, and 13, Nathan's age. 13 times 3 gives you the value of Angel 39. And Jake died on the 22nd. Jake was 11. 6, the devil's number. Jake died on the 22nd. Nathan was 13. 6, the devil's number. And I googled volcanic eruptions again. Volcanic eruption. And now, of course, what's at the top of the news? Top stories, it's the Hawaii eruption, which is a pretty big one and causing a lot of problems for people who live there. And the time now is 8:56 PM on Friday, 4th of May, Oliver's birthday, and that's in Jakarta, which means in Canberra it's 11:56 PM. So Oliver's birthday is almost over. Now 11:57. 8:57 in Jakarta. So back to our smiley face. And I posted this. This is from the Kilauea volcano. Posted this a couple of days ago, not knowing there was anything going on unusual at Kilauea. All the freaky weird stuff that happened on Wednesday, 13th of December, 2017, that's meant to be, last year, began with Oliver asking me about Red Rain by R.L. Stein. Did you bring it? Did you bring it? Oliver's parents are both Norwegian, and Oliver has the classic Norwegian blonde hair, like his dad, I think. Oliver is very athletic. He trains hard in athletics most days, and won the cross country for his age group, among other things. He's now taken up swimming and cycling as well. He's a super fit boy by any standard, just like William. And William's the mirror boy of Jake and Nathan. Blonde equals 47, and that happens to be the number on this boy's arm. I noticed after posting this photo. It's also on his leg, 47. And time. Will you get your time at the end of the race? Keep in mind that I got to know William in 2011, and I had come to regard him as Jacob's mirror boy, so to speak, by the end of 2013. William and I quickly bonded on a deeper level than just the usual carer-child relationship, as we were wandering around the playground one cold winter evening in 2011, talking about The Lord of the Rings by J.R.R. Tolkien and The Dark Tower by Stephen King. William was aged only 8, yet he was coming up with original and clever riddles that I couldn't guess the answers to. William is a very bright and intelligent boy, and so is Jacob Wetterling. How many 8-year-old boys have read the entire Lord of the Rings series and The Hobbit? Reading the rest of the Wikipedia entry on Mount Papandayan brought William the Mirror Boy into full view. Even the date of the most infamous historical eruption of Papandayan reminded me of one of the numbers I had included in my video a couple of days earlier. The top of the page story on the Yellowstone steamboat Geyser had quoted a geologist named Jake Lowenstern. The value of his name was reflected in the date. True. Jake Lowenstern, 172. And as it says in the article, since 1772, only small phreatic eruptions were recorded before an explosive eruption that began in November 2002. William the Mirror Boy is 15, and he was born on Friday, 6th of September 2002. The most recent explosive eruption of Mount Papandayan since 1772 began just 1 month after William was born. True. It's now 9 o'clock, by the way, in Jakarta on the 4th of May 2018. And to the point of what I was just talking about, that is the Google, or Wikipedia I should say, entry on Mount Papandayan. And the bit I was just quoting is in this top section here. So pretty interesting, I thought. And yeah, more than interesting. Norris Geyser Basin. So yeah, Jake Lowenstone was the name of the geologist. So coming back to here, there wasn't too much left. Actually, it wasn't that one, it was here. There wasn't too much left about Yellowstone and the geyser, but I'm pretty sure this was the one. I think this was the article. Find out in a second. That mentioned Jake. That geologist quoted him at the end. Anyway, there's the sign, the triplet sign on my birthday. They have not seen this level at the Yellowstone volcano caldera in at least 15 years. The Mirror Boy's age, William's age. My birthday, the triplet sign of Nathan Breeze. So that was pretty cool. Anyway, it wasn't this one that had, but here we have the name Jacob popping up anyway in relation to South Africa. Yeah, it was another article that had the one I was thinking of, but anyway, the name, Jake. Back to here. Norris Geyser Basin equals 217, a reflection of Jake Lowenstone, and the date 1772. Mount Kilauea Boys Friday. Papandayan, the Bad 9 Boy. Today's Oliver's 9th birthday. Well, it is still, if you're in Jakarta. Still Oliver's birthday in Jakarta, Indonesia. Papandayan, the Bad 9 Boy. Papandayan, Speedbird 9. Galanggang Prophecy. September of Papandayan, September of Puntang, Bad Twin Peaks of Samuel, Bad Boy Jacob's Twin Peaks. So there's just some stuff I came up with on 217, which reflects Jake's date of birth, 17th of the 2nd. Jacob Wertling was born on Friday, 17th of February 1978, and his mirror boy William was born on Friday, 6th of September 2002. And something else weird happened on Oliver's birthday, the 4th of May, to do with phones, and that is, there was a big Telstra outage today that affected 000, and apparently it was caused by lightning. So 000's calls restored after Telstra blew out, not Telstra, lightning blew out a Telstra cable. And somehow that caused heaps and heaps of problems with the 000 service. But anyway, that was a lightning strike. So, back to our, I'm not going to try play that. But yeah, if you're trying to call 000 today, or yesterday, now, it was a bit tricky. Red Rain, Boy Jack, equals 69. The Mirror Boy's date of birth, the 6th of September. Jake Chambers, Alun Alun. And that's in association with this volcano. If I go back to the Wikipedia article, Alun Alun gets a mention here somewhere. I'm pretty sure. And Oliver's younger brother Martin's birthday is on 3rd of August, I think. He told me. And he'll be turning 7 this year. Mirror, Weta, Twist. On August 13, 2011, the volcano's early warning status was lifted from level 2, Vigilant, or WASPADA, to level 3, Alert, Siaga, following the swarm of long-period events, the increase of volcanic tectonic earthquake rate, and an extremely high percentage, 100% of measured carbon dioxide gas, in the ground at the summit crater. People, including tourists, were urged to remain at least 2 kilometers from the yellow craters on the 2,665 meter Mount Papandayan. On Friday, September 2, 2011, the Indonesian Volcanology and Geophysical Disaster Mitigation Center reported that numerous shallow volcanic earthquakes had been recorded, along with other indications of volcanic activity. And this is when I was getting to know William, the Mirror Boy, same year, September, his birthday. So the year that he turned 9, I guess. Or if it wasn't 8. Mount Papandayan is located 15 kilometers from a town called Garut. And that's, again, the Mirror Boy's age, 15. Oliver's full name is 81, the value of Oliver, and 49, which is 130. So what is the name of the island home of the identical twins, Daniel and Samuel, in Red Rain by R.L. Stine? Their island home is Kapli Shanoa. Heavy, Red Rain, equals 130. Daniel's twin, Pyromaniac Face. Cruel Samuel, Bad Devil Samuel. The Blonde Snake, My Bad Twins. Bad Fire Twins, about to come. Unbelievably Purple Rain, the Bad Boy Code of Mount Agung in Bali. Evil volcano named Papandayan. The Agung time, I am a prophecy. Bali's birthday, Mount Doom, devastation. A few weeks ago, Samuel made a video out of dirt. Not a video, a volcano. Out of dirt. And made it erupt by pouring water over the top of it. Samuel named his volcano Mount Holy. Holy, codename Kilauea, the one that erupted today. And yes, it's still today. 9:09, Friday the 4th of May, is the time right now in Jakarta, Indonesia. Daniel and Samuel equals 135. Daniel and Samuel Delaney, Red Rain twin, Agung's twin, Kid of Indonesia, Jacob's hot boy, Mount Holy Boy, the Holy Boy, Samuel's Bad Fire. Red Rain, novel by R.L. Stine. Boy Papandayan, Boy Puntang, Jacob's twins. I know I'm not pronouncing this right, but I kind of like the way I'm saying it. Papandayan. Jacob's twins. The twin lads, twin snakes. Nathan Breeze died age 13, and his life path number is 5. 13 times 5 is 65. Bad Nathan. Kelly. That's my last name. Bad Calendar. Waspada. Well, that was the name that they use in Indonesia when they are on a level 2, vigilant. Be bad. Siaga. Well, that's the other one we were just looking at there. It goes up to the alert, siaga. Sorry to all the Indonesian people who actually know how to pronounce these words. I know I'm not doing justice to your language, but forgive me. I'm an Aussie. What would I know? Hell. Javanese. So, siaga and hell have the same value. Javanese 177 has the same value as fit boy. 7 sevens are 49, and that's the value of Oliver's surname. Cute bad boy. 7th of the 7th. Well, I've flagged the date 7th of July because it's 71 days after my birthday, and that's the value of Samuel. Sammy, fire name, the fire. 71 days after my birthday, it's the 7th of the 7th, and it's a Saturday this year. Jacob Irwin Wetterling, 233. Guardian Angel Nathan Breeze, 233. Nathan's turning 23 on Saturday, the 24th of November, 2018. I am 23. 23 times 3 is 69. The value of red rain. Message. My birthday is 233 days, or was 233 days before Sunday the 16th of December 2018. And that's the birthday of the other Samuel I know, who is turning 9. Sunday the 16th, and of course the value of Jacob Irwin Wetterling, 233. So Sunday the 16th of December 2018 is the 9th birthday of Samuel J. He's the other Samuel, who has the hypnotic air about him and trance-inducing stare, who got me thinking of Samuel in Red Rain when I first met him a couple of years ago. And of course he was only about 7 back then. Now he's nearly 9. But he's still got the same kind of interesting, half kind of hypnotic stare, which is not bad. It's not disconcerting, but it's noticeable. Just a trance kind of state. A trance kind of hypnotic kind of tranciness to him is something I've noticed. So 9 signs for the eruption of Mount Pamindayan and his twin Mount Puntang. 9 dates when there will be signs for young William. And for Oliver, Elliot, and Samuel. Well, Tuesday the 8th of May, 2018, that's pretty soon, because it's now the 5th of the 5th. It's Saturday the 5th of May, where I live, so we're only 3 days away from the 8th. And this is a date that Nathan and Jake said something might happen. A sign, maybe. 8 is Jake's life path number, so I guess it makes sense. I was born on a Tuesday, and not that that's any reason to think that anything will happen, but the second date is Sunday the 24th of June 2018. That is Samuel's birthday. That's definitely one to watch. Samuel's 9th birthday. I'll definitely be watching that date. And then the 7th of the 7th. Well, that's 71 days after my birthday. which may or may not mean something. And then 15 days before the Mirror Boy's birthday, and 16 days after the Mirror Boy's birthday, twin 22nds, and the Mirror Boy's birthday, when William's 16. And the 6th of October is a Saturday. 6 is the devil's number. And Nathan's 23rd birthday, Saturday, 24th of November. 24th. So Samuel and Nathan, both on the 24th. And then the other Samuel's birthday, Sunday the 16th of December. Sunday, Samuel on a Sunday, and Samuel on a Sunday. Both Samuels are on a Sunday. So you might happen to notice the tang of crispy brown and yummy waffles. Don't forget that. So that's it. That's the prophecy from Mount Papandayan, or however you say it. I know you don't say it the way I'm saying it, but that's okay. Papandayan sounds alright. And what else? Before I leave you, should I check the weather? Suppose I should. Jake was born on the 17th. Nathan was 13. Nathan died on the 7th. 6 is the devil's number. Samuel Delaney equals 137. Dark Tower equals 115. And 15 is the Mirror Boy's age. Nathan died aged 13 and 93. Well, that's the value of our volcano name, 93. It's the value of Papandayan. And it's now 9:18 PM, Friday 4th of May, 2018. 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18, or 9 times 2. So it's still Samuel's birthday. Interesting. And I'll probably leave you now, as I'm about to go and try and find this. Which article had that geologist named... No, it wasn't that one. The geologist named... Wasn't that one. Maybe it was this one. The geologist named Jake. I reckon it was this one. Could have been this one. They're slightly different articles, I think. There it is. Jake Lowenstern. 70,000 years since this Yellowstone volcano blew up. We don't want that one to blow up. That'd be a bad day for everyone. But the geyser's alright.
Around 11 o'clock I heard a noise. I listened to it for a while and I thought,